I'm there for bash nobody, let's make that clear. And for all of who I go say, why should just come out come talk now? Please remember, everybody deal with what them deal with differently. So I mean, like, no, me feel like let me want come talk, let me be, let me speak, okay? And at the same day, leave guy, what's about some eat rotten. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Yeah, and leave a comment, right? Anyways, let's start. So, I meet this, and on the stay tuned if you don't want to know his name, come here, call him name. So I meet this man in a 2019, sorry, you know, when my first video go up on everything. So remember, I don't know this man from nowhere, you know, but missing with the man put my video beside him posters, right? So I text the man and call the man phone and ray and said to the man, say, who authorized you, I will give you the permission to put my video beside your flyers. So him say, everybody find the video funny and me find the video funny, so I put it beside my flyers. Anyways, from that day on, him call me, him text me, and ray, right? Alright, so we end up have a ban. The man starts say him want to be my manager. Them time they, you know, I don't really understand nothing. You know, I'm just a ghetto girl, a girl where they know the ghetto and whatever. Right? Never did know say you have to sign a contract with person like 60-40 X, Y, and Z, ray, right? Boom. Him say, my manager say, no, every little thing, you call him, you make him know, whatever, right? Khalid, did remember going on a music video, him find out that, and he make Khalid for write one song give me, right? And the film record label. Khalid do it, alright? They know, him go again, and me I go Canada, remember, the so-called manager, and he make me go Canada, and people reach out to me, and I be at the time, and whatever. And please to remember that as a manager, I you for ensure say like the person who you manage, ensure say them get them bookings, ensure say X, Y, and Z go for them, make sure say them are go right, and not like that. You understand? Every bookings that me get them off for my own. The so-called manager never get no bookings at all for me. The greatest thing though, when he might get the ads them or whatever, I don't know if him tell them say a 150 and give him 100, but regardless of the situation, I don't know what him and them talk about. Ray, but him always take $100 for ads, right? Me go England. Uncle never yet say, Shadia England, me go look for you, me go see how she gone. But there Canada, uncle never yet say, alright, she there Canada, me see how she gone. No, uncle just stay on the phone, and uncle just stay on the phone, right? People, I open our fella. Anyways, boom now. I'm not gonna tell you why uncle don't deal with me. Boom now, you know, I have 2 songs a road. Remember the man have the Vivo. Him send the money now, make a fight. A Vivo we have 4 point much, and then the 200 add K views. 4 point add subscriber, and 243 K views. The man say him not get the money a fight or whatever might be the case. Lava Sound, they give me the money for another song than me have people. Lava Sound use me to build himself. That is how me feel. Because Lava get up every day. When me and him used to talk, post a picture they film me, post this, post this, post that, X, Y, and Z, right? All the L, the Vivo for X, Y, and Z, and 1 to when you put it on other platforms. You tell me say I get the money at all, I fight, ray. Remember it on the Burn Them Records label as well him claim say it be or whatever might be the case. Right? Lava Sound used to get up every day, him to post him picture them, the biggest dub plate him ever get, him beg me post it. Obviously you just didn't use my platform at the time to build yourself, right? Remember Lava never get no bookings for me. Lava never do no significant in my life for me. I'm just saying this because I don't feel fucked up and me get close to this person. I like look up to this person as a big brother or whatever might be the case. And then one video go out with me. The man never did give me a chance to explain myself like, bro, X, Y, and Z and X, Y, and Z, and I saw this go and this happen or whatever might be the case, right? Lava never give me a chance to explain myself. Lava just blocked me, because if Lava didn't like me, why Lava never said that? Why you just get up and you just block me? Probably you just want to stop dealing with me long time, but you just never know how to say it, and you get the opportunity and you just block me, right? One time I see Lava upon him live and him tell people say he make me go big. Lava already make me go big when you never do nothing for me. You just dip on my phone and being a dictator. Cause you wasn't a manager, me never sign a contract. You just was on my phone being a dictator, telling me what to do, telling me what who not for work with and who me for work with and re like you just want me alone resolve around you, Lava. Yes, that is how I feel. Right, because one such person come to me one time and say they want to manage me, and Lava, I'm gonna go back to Lava because I have him so close. Lava said them for go manage them, move from here, so them not for manage me, them for go manage somebody else. Like that's the mentality we did have. You understand? Never want to work with nobody, right? I have never met Lava in my life. For all who don't know, I never see Lava. Me don't know how Lava look in a real life. If you understand me, I say. Anyways, the video go out. The man, no me explain myself what really happened or what if and knows. Lava tell me don't for keep no party. Remember, I'm 20 years old. Or if you tell a 20-year-old big up and don't for keep no party. My enjoyment just like oh you want your enjoyment to find me want my enjoyment. Also, you gotta tell me not for keep no party. Remember, you're only like you know you're my father saying you not really can dictate. You only can tell me certain things and you've been sometimes you've been at tell me things the way or you've been at tell me things sometimes not even Abby never used to want hear it. Sometimes the girl used to stop taking calls and I me alone him could I get at the time. You understand? At all time because as I tell the girl stop taking calls because nobody a dictate to them. I reach out to Lava when the video come out and I say to him say, after I'm blocked me, I text him on Instagram, I say to him say, you know, give me a chance to explain myself and whatever. The man not read the message. The man don't read the message. You understand? So I'm figuring out, oh, maybe they want stop dealing from long time. Start reach out and whatever. Lena reach out for do the interview and I be relate the message to him. Him said him nothing to do towards me, him don't want to get involved. That is what Lava said. Oh, one time you used to could have want to get involved. If your ears say me I got this so, your ears say me I got this so, your ears say me I got England, Cayman, Canada, you want to get yourself involved. So when all of a sudden now, one video come out, instead of you help fix it, come by your claim to say you're a manager, come by your claim to say I'm a big brother, and I have you at that too, right? Why you never fix the situation? Anyways, people come and people goes, you know, people. That's all me I say. People come and people goes. I am just saying this to everybody where I come up in a whatever, in a this industry shit, to be careful. So all I look at young artists, they want on a bus, please to be careful. And everybody gets up and say they want to be the manager, and everybody happy for no. So they just need to be careful. Come back, some have song out there. The man not give me the laugh fight. I not get nothing. Him just have them and I collect all the royalties. If Lava was so good to me, why Lava never make me go a J-Cap, go sign up so I can get them little royalties as a whatever. Why Lava never, you know why never do certain things? Why Lava, if him was so much as a manager. But remember say, young boy no know Storm, so at the time he never know Storm, at the time he never know what is what and all things to go about. Why Lava never make another song them play upon radio? Why Lava never make me like going to the party for help promote my music certain way to get it out there to wider audience. Why Lava never do that? Them use you. Because I'm a user. So everybody use you for build them new. Even if Lava was out there a long time, whole people never know about Lava. Whole people never know about Lava. So I don't want anybody I go comment in the comment section. Oh, Lava was out. When I didn't know him, whole people and me make them know about Lava. I remember when even before Corona come and me and such man did a part and such man tell me say Lava did bad man. Yeah, Lava bad man. I don't have nothing for Lava bad man before, but Lava was bad man and Lava is bad man. I feel like me want to come talk now because I feel like say I know me want to come talk. What the real reason why me and Lava don't talk. So everybody who will be upcoming artists right now, on the place to be careful out there. Them look at boy we come to them have record label and them boom them go to music and boom them distribute it all pan whatever with them distributed pan and then boom as they make one look a mistake or whatever might be the case, them gone left for no. Yeah, and that is what Lava did. And I feel like say let's just move on with your life, though. And I have to just be careful out there because it's life. People come and people goes. But that's the real reason why me and such man stop